The Emergency Event Manager solution is a written database software platform designed to help you manage personnel at emergency scenes quickly and securely. This software allows departments large and small to easily and affordably share information on a local, state, or national level across all departments and can back up data with a simple one-click process. The Emergency Event Manager solution provides all of the tools and features you'll need to effectively manage an emergency scene. These features include the ability to credential personnel and have access to their information, including contact, medical, and profile information, log personnel in and out of an emergency scene, view personnel's specialties and certifications, view the status of personnel logged into the scene to see what their assignment is, how long they've been there, what their location is, and more, view evacuee information, receive alerts for expired and invalid IDs, time limits for personnel logged in, expired certifications, and more, access emergency contact and medical information by scanning a badge in the event of an emergency, and run reports at any time during or after an event. In the event of an emergency, first responders arrive at the scene, where they set up a command center used to check credentials of incoming first responders and volunteers, or instantly issue new credentials on site. First responders set up a perimeter around the source of the incident and put checkpoints in place throughout the scene using mobile handheld devices. Each device can send information to the command center using a wireless connection or can download information using a USB connection. As first responders and volunteers arrive at the scene, they go to the staging area, where they present credentials, are logged into the scene, and given assignments. Command Center users are able to quickly decide and issue assignments to credentialed personnel based on that person's security level, certifications, specialties, and availability. With the help of mobile tracking devices, personnel, volunteers, and assets can be managed away from the Command Center at any location. Enrollment can take place before the Command Center is set up on-site by using a mobile tracking device. Personnel are able to manage larger areas of a location while moving in and out of the vicinity of the staging area by tracking individuals, equipment, and activity using the mobile solution software. Multiple mobile tracking device units provide users the flexibility they need to manage a site quickly and securely. To access the Emergency Event Manager software, simply double-click on the Mobile Solutions icon located on the desktop. The Emergency Event Manager login screen will appear. Simply type in your username ID and password, then click the Login button. Approved personnel can manage an emergency scene using the Command Center page. They may also use the other pages available to assist them during an event. Approved personnel may access forms and run reports at any time. Assets may also be managed by accessing the Tagged Own Asset section to provide more comprehensive management of the scene. The credentialing process using the mobile EEMS unit is a fast and easy way to issue secure IDs to first responders and volunteers at an emergency scene. First, scan a valid driver's license or government ID to capture and populate information automatically into the software database. Next, capture a photo of the person to add to their profile. With the click of a button, users are able to instantly issue a secure ID using the mobile EEMS unit. Personnel are then able to present their credential when accessing the emergency scene. Track first responders and volunteers on site using the mobile EEMS unit as your command center. The Emergency Event Manager solution will allow you to track certifications and specialties, accurately track volunteer hours for federal reimbursement, track responders and volunteers away from the command workstation, and wirelessly connect to the command workstation by transmitting data in real time. Cover more area by using mobile tracking devices by tracking first responders and volunteers away from the command center, enroll people on site before the command center is set up, wirelessly connect to the command center by transmitting data in real time, manage multiple entry and exit points of a scene, and add multiple applications to each unit. Asset Manager is a custom solution designed to help manage and track your inventory assets and supplies. Anything from PCs to vehicles to tasers can be tagged, barcoded, and tracked with Asset Manager. Any item, especially ones purchased with grant funds, can be tagged, assigned to a department or agency, and have an audit trail. When it's time to do an inventory or produce a usage report, Asset Manager gives you the ability to quickly and easily generate reports detailing who has used or is currently using your assets. When using the Asset Manager solution, label assets by entering items into the Asset Manager software. Print barcode tags and label each item. Inventory assets by scanning each item using the handheld device. Synchronize the data from your handheld to the command center and print reports as needed. To loan assets, check out an item by scanning the person's credential, then scan the item. Synchronize the data on the handheld to the command center, then scan the person's credential and asset again when the item is returned. For more information on the Emergency Event Manager solution, contact Elliott Data Systems or visit our website at www.elliottdata.com.